Okay, what I've got here, we took this off of an SR20DET.MOV. It is a complete turbo setup with downpipe, 4-bolt flange. You see it in the back. All ceramic, heat coated. It's an HKS turbo, 3037. It's like brand new. See how well it spins. Fully ball bearing. The thing is really in nice shape. Really quiet and smooth. It has the manifold, the turbo, a Tial 44mm wastegate, and a Greddy trussed ceramic coated downpipe. So it is a complete setup. This thing's good for 550 horsepower for sure. Has very little use on it, and again, you can watch this thing spool. And there's no shaft play whatsoever. So you can see the back half. In great shape. Doesn't move whatsoever. So, and just in case you haven't seen it, we're at HKS right there. So give us a call, 813-877-7600. Thank you.